nice village cities and going to toilet. This is a natural space of my land, where we have a picnic table for afternoon snack. During summer, we have also sun festivals at night. This place is near to Rapatel Dam. On the other side, we have a little river on we can swim on the summer days.
Hello, my name is Pedro Diniz. I'm from Sinfãs and I study in Agrupamento de Escola General Serpa Pinto. I want too much to go to your school and country. I'm in Projeto Erasmus. Behind me there is a river and a lot of mountains. I like Sinfãs because it's a calm and spacious village.
Hi, my name is Gonçalo and I'm in year 7. I like Erasmus because it's useful. I live in a village in Vila Nova where you can see the Douro River has lots of trees. See you Poland.
Hello, my name is Jada. I'm from Minas Pereira, far away from there, 1 hour by bus. I'm in the 7th grade and I'm a member of Erasmus project, Skill by Skill Up to Success. And I will show you the landscape near to the school. There are mountains, trees, far away we have the Douro River and also we have ships there. And I hope to see you in Poland. Bye bye.